Big news is coming from the flagship phone world. The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra has already been unboxed before its official launch, and the early look is creating serious buzz. Even though the Unpacked event is scheduled for February 25, a retail unit has somehow reached the hands of a YouTuber, giving everyone an early preview of what Samsung is about to reveal. The early unboxing was shared by tech creator Sahil Karol, who managed to get the device from a retailer in Dubai. According to the leak, the phone is already available in limited retail channels ahead of its rumored March release. This kind of early appearance is rare, but it gives a clear idea of what users can expect from Samsung's next Ultra flagship. Right out of the box, the packaging shows one noticeable change. Samsung has redesigned the retail box to match the updated camera layout. The phone now features a proper camera island instead of the separated lens look seen previously. The design still looks premium and clean, but the new camera housing gives it a slightly refreshed identity. When held in hand, the device feels very familiar. The size and weight are almost the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, so anyone upgrading from last year's model will not feel a dramatic difference. However, there is one subtle tweak. The corners are now slightly rounder. It is not a huge visual change, but over time, users may find the softer edges more comfortable to hold. The white color variant shown in the leak looks elegant and polished. Samsung appears to be focusing on refinement rather than a complete redesign this year. The overall look remains premium, minimal, and very much in line with the Ultra series identity. One of the most interesting highlights revealed in the leak is the new privacy display feature. This feature automatically darkens the screen when viewed from an angle. In simple words, if someone tries to peek at the phone from the side, the content becomes very hard to see. This is a practical addition for people who often use their phones in public places like buses, offices, classrooms, or airplanes. The feature adds an extra layer of privacy without needing a separate screen protector. Based on the early demo, the effect looks quite strong, making the display almost invisible from sharp side angles. In real-world usage, this could become one of those small features that users grow to appreciate daily. It may not sound flashy at first, but it directly solves a common problem many smartphone users face. During the comparison shots, the phone was placed next to several flagship devices, including the iPhone 17 Pro Max. From the images, Samsung's device still looks competitive in terms of size and premium feel. However, the biggest changes this year appear to be internal rather than external. According to leaked promotional material, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will keep most of the same core specifications as its predecessor. Battery capacity is expected to remain unchanged, and many hardware elements are said to be similar to last year's model. The biggest performance improvement is expected to come from the new chipset. This upgraded processor should make the phone feel faster and more responsive in everyday tasks like gaming, multitasking, and camera processing. Even small chip improvements can make a big difference in real-life speed and efficiency. Samsung is once again putting heavy focus on Galaxy AI features. However, based on current leaks, there may not be many groundbreaking additions this time. One highlighted feature is an improved photo assist tool aimed at professional-level editing. This tool is expected to help users enhance photos with smarter AI adjustments. Still, many fans were hoping for bigger AI surprises. If the leaks are accurate, the AI upgrades this year may feel more like refinements rather than major innovations. So far, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be an evolution rather than a revolution. The design is cleaner, the corners are softer, the new camera island adds freshness, and the privacy display brings a genuinely useful feature. Performance should also improve thanks to the new chipset. However, users expecting massive hardware changes or dramatic upgrades compared to the previous Ultra model may find this update somewhat modest. Samsung seems to be focusing on polishing the experience instead of completely reinventing the device. The final judgment will depend on pricing, real-world performance tests, camera results, and battery optimization after the official launch. With the Unpacked event just around the corner, the full picture will become clear very soon. Until then, this early unboxing has definitely built excitement and given a solid preview of what is coming next in Samsung's flagship lineup. If this early look was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so no future tech updates are missed.